Christmas is right around the corner, and this recipe is just perfect for your gathering. Welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pang. I highly recommend that you roast your pecans. You will need about 1.5 cup of whole pecans or 150 grams. After it's cool, manually chop it so that you have less of the fine pieces. And as always, I have the full written recipe, instructions, and oven baking right in the description box below the video here. I do not have crushed pineapple, so I am crushing my own. If you use canned crushed pineapples, drain it, but you don't need to squeeze the juice out of it. And if you are brand new to my channel, welcome. Do watch my important tips at the end because it will help you to be successful at baking in your rice cooker. You'll also need 3 large mashed bananas, This is a super easy 1-bowl recipe. You can use a wire whisk here as well. Just mix it to combine. Just whisk the ingredients to incorporate, don't overmix it. Don't overmix this. Be sure to stop and scrape the sides. Line your pot with parchment paper for easy removal. And put a paper towel to catch condensation, and let's do our first bake. And as a reminder, one bake is about 5 minutes in the cooked status and 25 minutes in the warm status, depending on your rice cooker. Do check the important tips at the end for different types of rice cookers. This is after 3 bake cycle, which is 90 minutes. Clean toothpick so we are done baking. If you are frosting, make sure you cool it completely. The frosting is super easy, so let's get that out of the way while we wait for the cake. And I would love it if you connect with me on any of your favorite social media platforms. All my links are at the bottom of the description box. What would you like to see bake in the rice cooker? Put it in the comment section below for me. And this is a beautiful tall cake. And I will not bore you with my terrible cake frosting. Frost the cake however you want. And don't keep this wonderful baking method to yourself. Share it with other people by hitting that like button below and sharing my video on your favorite social media networks. These videos and recipes do take a lot of production time to to create and edit the video and put it together, so I really appreciate your encouraging comments to keep me motivated and keep me going. And if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Pang, and I do put out a new recipe every Saturday, so don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe, that way you'll get notified when I put out a new recipe. This cake is soft and moist, and I just love breaking my cakes to show you the texture. Let's do that again. Oh, yummy-licious. This cake gets crumbly, but definitely not dry. Okay, one last time. Oh yeah. I hope you enjoy this video. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker. And do use my affiliate links below as a Christmas gift from you to me, because it's free for you. The base cake is a fruit sweetness level, and with the frosting, it's definitely sugar sweet. If you're watching on YouTube, more videos will pop up right here on the screen for you. But if you're not on YouTube, the links to more recipes are right below in the description box as well.